So we came to this place last night, we had some beautiful chicken, but we didn't have the camera, so let's go and see if we can have some more beautiful chicken tonight. Look at this, like that. Get the old smoke coming off, and it's bloody handsome, doesn't it? So we've ordered some grilled chicken with rice, and we're going to have some crispy pork belly, because we've not had pork belly for a while. And don't we love a bit of pork belly, darling? We're done with that then. It's over there, we're cooking. We're happy days, bruv, we're happy days. It's all good. So the place is well busy. There's loads of people sitting here. When we're in places like this, we always think if you go somewhere busy, it's got to be good. If the locals eat there, it's got to be good. So we're going to have some lovely food again, hopefully. Cool. So we've got a load more coming. Thank you, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. I've got me chicken and rice. Nico's got her chicken and rice. I've got to try it. We've got some crispy pork. Oh my word. I've got to try that pork. Oh my days. Oh man.
Tuck in. Very good, my fingers, yeah.
We've got this lovely sauce. It's a bit like soy sauce, but it's got some meat juice and some fat in it. It makes it so tasty. Just going to chuck loads of that on my rice. All done on a barbecue that's just over there behind me. We've got a little bit of red chilli sauce on top of the rice. Wow. Wow, the flavours are amazing. This sauce got a real smoky flavour to it, as long as all the meat. A big plate of salad, which is nice. Oh my days. That pork's so soft, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
Lovely barbecue pork. The taste of smokiness. Oh man. It's the best bit of pork I've had for a long time.
Yeah.
We saw him just take the chicken off the barbecue.
It's not really fatty as well, the pork, isn't it?
It's nice, it's just how you want it. Wow. Wow. I don't think it comes much better, does it?
No. And the rice. It's got so many bits in it, and it's got like seeds and carrot.
Bring up a bit. A bit quiet.
Just got so much nice stuff in it. Really, really nice. Different peas and herbs and.
We've got peas, vegetables. Some seeds as well. It's absolutely superb. Absolutely delicious. fault it. And I'm a right moany git, I'll tell you.
Oh, it definitely is.
I do like the moan, but this is absolutely superb. And that soy sauce. The soy sauce got like a lovely smoky flavour to it. Along with all the meat that's got a lovely smoky flavour to it. Lovely bit of pork in there, the flavour, crispy skin on it, that lovely smoky sauce. I kind of pride myself because I can cook a good bit of barbecue chicken. But this stuff makes me look stupid, man. It is really, really good. See the guy running backwards and forwards on a barbecue over there that we filmed earlier. Just putting more chickens on, taking more meat off. The food is amazing, isn't it? I cannot fault this. I really can't.
Absolutely delicious. I know I say that a lot of things, but honestly, my food is delicious.
What food?
I mean, sorry, Vietnam food.
Vietnamese food.
That's the one.
Thai food's delicious as well, but this is another level, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we're in Thailand now.
Just because we've had so much Thai food, I just forget sometimes where we are.
Remember that plane ride?
Yeah, I know.
Said 2B-ish, don't know where she is. I know I am. I'm loving it. I think today we've had the best Vietnamese food ever. The soup we had earlier, wasn't it? That bun cha Hanoi. Bun cha Hanoi we had for lunch. We've come over here, which is, we only found this place yesterday like random. We went to a place along the road because we wanted some rice. Sat down and said we're closing. Walked 20 yards along the road and we found this place. We just didn't have a camera. My days. So for 2 plates of chicken and rice, that was 120. And for the crispy pork, that's 100. So it rounds up at 220,000 done. I think it's about £6 or something, £6 or £7 for 2 fantastic meals, and I am really full up. You well full?
Yeah, definitely.
Big plate of salad. I struggled to finish it, but it's so nice I can't leave any. Wow. I'd give that an 8 or 9 out of 10, definitely, wouldn't you?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 8.
Flavours were so good. Guys, do us a favour, please. If you like our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. We may be able to make a few more videos just like this for you. Wherever you are in the world, hope you're having a cracking day. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye bye.